So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Autolock settings. So now if I go to my settings and go to the display settings, you can see that my Autolock is set to 30 seconds. It's all grayed out. You can see over here I can't click on it. So I'll tell you how you can fix this. Just go back, then swipe down and come to your battery settings. As you can see over here, just click on the battery setting and your low power mode must be on. Just turn it off. And now if I go back and if I go to my display setting, now you can see that Autolock has been changed to never, and I can select how much duration I want it to be on. I can keep it from 30 seconds to 5 minutes or never. So usually I keep it for never or 30 seconds because I usually lock my phone by manually. So otherwise, if you are not keeping Autolock duration, you can directly lock your device by pressing the power key. Else, if you keep anything out of this 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, your phone will get auto-locked after a certain period of time, like the time that you select. And rather, if you're playing a YouTube video or something like that, the screen is already moving, and once there is a constant motion on your screen, your phone won't get auto-locked, so you don't have to worry about it. So it won't affect while watching any video or something like that. So you can be rest assured. So this is how you can change the Autolock setting on your iPhone 13.
Get up to ho ja hasal tu kar aalas pe mitti pa so mat jaag zara ho raha hai savera so mat jaag zara ho raha hai savera